How to enable or connect the DApp browser to your Trust Wallet just from your device. If you use Android phone, then how you can simply do it. Firstly, to do this thing, what you need to do is open the Trust Wallet here on your Android device. Let me search for the Trust Wallet if it's there and if I want to upload it. So this is the Trust Wallet. Whenever you will click and log in with your credentials such as your password and your username, and then on the home page of the Trust Wallet you will see a lot of things, but you have to click on the left top of the screen, and from this menu there is a lot of option called Help Center, Preferences, Support, About, and all the details below. But from this menu you have to click on the Preferences, and in this you can see the first option, Currency, App Language, and the third is DApp Browser, DApp. You should click it and then click again on Enable option, and then connect DApp browser automatically to your Trust Wallet. This is how you can actually do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.